Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to print a photo from Google Photos. You have to start by open Google Photos application. Now select the photo what you wanna print. Let's say I wanted this one. After that, click Share at the left bottom. Scroll down, and right here we have print. Click at this line, then select the printer. So I don't want to print it in a color. Paper size A4, it's okay for me. 1 copies, and then click print. Okay. And so we have the photo printed. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.